That's so funny! You're gonna fuse Marowak and Artic... He just fused Marowak and Articuno. Is it actually gonna be the Articuno Marowak fusion? Or... Oh my god, it actually is. What the fuck? What is that? No! I hate it. I fucking hate it, bro. Hell.
I don't like where this is going.
Okay, so we're gonna do this. Oh no, the one on the right looks so much more cursed. Oh, hello. A Reshian? Is that part Reshiram? It totally is, isn't it? What? She gave me the splicer last time. Oh my god. The one on the left looks so bad. Oh, this one's not a custom. Ah! Oh my god, it's huge! No! Oh, it's Dodrio, not Firo. What? That's a sick sprite, though. There's more! I don't like that. There's so many trainers here, Jesus. Oh my god, kill it. Oh my god, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it with fire. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Elephant. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't want this elephant. I don't want it.
But wait! There's more!
Later.
Oh, no, no, no. No, yeah, no, no. No, yeah, I don't. Chad, that thing scares me. That damn sandstorm. Chomp. Yeah, that's definitely part Garchomp, which makes me nervous. It's Cradilly and Garchomp. Ew, dude. Bleh. Oh, it has tentacles for hands. I don't like. No, his hands look. Guys, his hands look like. His hands look. Well, I don't know where else to find static encounters. I choose not to perceive, but Oh, that was X. Oh, pretty high contender for the most cursed abomination we've seen today. Oh, dude, this is so bad. Okay, we have a new first place for the Most Cursed Sprite Award. Absolutely fucking not. Absolutely fucking not. Wait. If you were to combine Squirtle with Hitmonchan, would it become Squirt-chan?